Let's go. Folded and ready to go. I'm so excited, and I got a window seat, so I am just so happy, so relieved, because I hate aisle and middle seats. Like, aisle is still fine, but middle, oh no. And I'm really close to the washroom, so that's a good thing as well, because if I need to pee, I don't have to walk that much. Let's go. Let's go. Can we, shall we? Please, already. Almost about to land in Korea. These islands are so pretty. Touchdown, Korea. The immigration process took so long. Like, I died, went to heaven, came back, immigrated, but I'm finally in Korea. I'm so happy. So I'm now just gonna get my baggage, and it's like 4 degrees right here. That's why I'm all jacketed up now. So yeah, my baggage claim link is so far away. It's like I'm gonna complete my 10,000 steps right now. But yes, I'm so excited for this trip to begin. And then I'm just gonna head to my hotel, show you around and everything. And why am I singing? I don't know. Maybe it's the K-pop influence already. But yeah, I look tired because, yeah, I didn't have a good sleep. I don't know. The person sitting next to me was a little so yeah. Beautiful cold morning here in Seoul. Feeling so nice. Like, in Delhi right now is hot, like hot. So coming back to the cold, it's like, yes, finally. So yes, let's just now go to the hotel. I'm so excited, but I need a couple of hours of sleep. And it's already like 7. So it's gonna take about an hour or so to reach the hotel. I don't know how much. Something like the ceiling in Mumbai, because there's a water body right there. My driver doesn't seem that well versed with English, so when I asked him how much time it will take, he replied 3. So I'm guessing it won't take 3 hours. Hoping to. The hotel, it's in the city center, that's why it's like plaza. That's the view from there, and there are also mountains I'll show you. So just got checked in and everything. I have a very cute little room. I'll show you around. So yeah, that's it. I know, right? But the bed is really good, so that's what matters, because like, let's just get real. And that is my view from here. Let's just now get to business, all right? Like, serious business. Oh my god, I'm in Korea. I'm so tired. I feel so bloated, so dehydrated, like all together, because I didn't have a lot of water. And flights always make me feel bloated. Like I swell up real bad. Like my hands are all swollen, my feet are swollen. So yeah, I'm dehydrated and swollen at the same time. How great is that? But yeah, after I think a couple of hours of rest, I'll be completely fine. I'm ready to go. So today is really exciting. We have to go to Myeongdong. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And there's a lot of street shopping over there. Although I don't have any currency, like won. I don't have Korean won. I have USD and I have INR. So I'll have to get it exchanged from somewhere before I head out to shop. Or I'll have to use my card, and that is not a pretty situation always because they can get hacked and stuff like that, and I'm really scared of that. So yeah, let me figure out everything. Then Ashna's also here and the Nykaa team is here. I've got to meet them as well. I'll message them in a while. It's just 8 a.m. They won't be yet up. I'll take a quick shower and peace out, guys. I'm gonna do a lot of things, and once I get ready, I'll be back with you. I don't feel like getting out of the bed. It feels so nice, but I also have to get ready, and you gotta get ready with me because you guys, oh my god, you send me so many messages that please do get ready with me and lookbooks and everything of that sorts. So, but I wanna sleep for a while. But I don't want to miss brekkie, although I'm not even sure what I will get in breakfast because hello Asian countries. So yeah, I am carrying my own food and everything, but still I'm not sure. I'll just sleep for 5-10 minutes more and then I'll get up. Pakka promise I'll get up. So we just got ready. My makeup's done by the Face Shop people and I love how it's looking, and we're just heading out to Myeongdong and say hi. Hi. She was waiting the lift.
But what shopping is this? Because it's shop Sunday. Do you see the shops? No, you never look at stuff.
This is Janpat Kolaba type stuff. This is Myeongdong. It's a whole street full of shopping, shopping and shopping. And food, which I can't have. Hashtag Jen issues. Are they selling dogs? I don't know. Are they selling dogs for food? No clue. Look at the view. Fish shop. How cool is this? This is like makeup heaven, guys. Like, look at how cute these blushes are. Like, they're in cardboard boxes like these, and they have like puff. Like, Korean makeup is the best. Let me just watch this shade for you all. What? Really? Wow, that's pigmented. Look at the prices. Like, one pricing is crazy. It's like 17 to 1. Like, 1 Indian rupees is equal to 17 won. So all of this is so cheap. It's literally insane here. There's just so much skincare, so much makeup, so much food, so much everything. Like, I'm dying right now. I'm flipping out. Oh my god, this is so cute. Kawaii stuff. Shoe shopping. Oh my god! Woo! How's your ice cream?
Very nice.
Very nice. Are you enjoying having it? Ashna, how's your ice cream?
Really good. Oh my god.
And Ria, what about you?
Mommy.
The things that we do for shoot. Ria, what are you doing?
Apparently I'm getting rid of mine. Are you ready?
But I don't want to.
You can have the phone from mine. I want the phone. She's holding it. What? Are we ready, guys?
Action.
Killed it.
Off to Gangnam. Yeah.
Cappuccino there. Okay, thank you. This is your? नहीं बोलती हूँ मैं ही लेके आती हूँ
Straw ना.
वो खा जाएगी मैं चाहिए
अच्छा नहीं तुम्हें स्ट्रॉ क्यों चाहिए?
नहीं मुझे शक्कर चाहिए
अच्छा. क्या चाहिए तुमको?
शक्कर
शक्कर.
शक्कर हाय
हाय. पे करते होंगे तो पूरी गड्डियों की गड्डियाँ देते होंगे यार.
नहीं पर उनका करेंसी भी हाई होगा
हाँ, probably yeah. 1,000 maybe यार.
This is a nice background also.
That's what you always do, finding nice backgrounds.
I'm fighting for you all. Where am I? Yeah. Where?
And we have to be like off Cute! Bloomin' Boutique. Shooting in this boutique and literally people have started like standing outside and seeing us and it's just so funny.
People are gone by.
Yeah, people have gone only. They saw there's nothing here and they went bombing a wedding photo shoot. They look cute. Congratulations, guys. Such a cute little store this is.
Okay. पूजा इंगर.
First water. We're going to Myeongdong back just to shop and we were missing Ashna, so only me, Nidhi and Ria are going and they're just like walking ahead of me, ignoring me. What? Nidhi, why are you ignoring me? So what are you looking to shop for?
Nothing specific, but just like
A lot of makeup.
Makeup, skincare.
Skincare.
like sheet masks.
All my friends have requested.
नायका से क्या खरीदोगे फिर?
I'll buy something I'll not totally Modi.
We just got back to the hotel. Guys, tell them how much did we shop?
Oh my god, we're shopped out. We cannot look at another skincare shop.
We are shit tired and we shopped our hearts out and we got lost in the streets looking for a rose gelato because this girl right here wanted to have a rose gelato.
Most yummy gelato that we've ever had.
Yeah, it was
We
totally
did-
worth it.
Yeah.
It was
we did
worth
not
it.
get to vlog it though, but
Yeah, but I have photographs, so I'll put it somewhere here.
Yeah.
Photographs. हाँ, मैगी बनानी मुश्किल है क्योंकि वो कपा वाली नहीं है. I don't like कपा वाली. वो तो वो है.
बेकार.
हाँ.
My god, you guys.
What?
Nothing.
No, what? Say.
Nothing at all.
Say.
खाएगी भी है. फिर
One
बोलेगी
bite.
भी.
One bite is all I'm having.
चलो निधि टेस्ट करके पहली बार बताओ कैसी है.
It's दिल्ली का छोले.
दिल्ली के छोले. चलो आज my your turn.
Okay. Taste test.
Taste test.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm doing this. Guys.
Who's going first? Okay, Ashna is gone first.
Okay, this is so good. It's actually good.
You think we're kidding or what?
Yes, I think you're kidding. Oh my god.
No, very good. इसके ऊपर नींबू और अचार हो जाए तो
ये अब मैं नींबू और अचार में कैरी करती.
मैं वैसे बता रही हूँ.
Guys, I'm not gonna Make fun of this anymore.
Thank you, Mummy, Papa, for this day. So I just got out of the shower at 2 a.m. in the morning. Not that I didn't take one in the morning like day before, but because we're gonna be having an early day tomorrow, so I didn't want to keep it for tomorrow. Just because I'm still really tired and I wanted to make most of my sleep. And as you guys already saw, we got a lot of stuff, and it's so cold here in Korea. Like it's 4 degrees right now or something of that sort. Like I was in dungarees today and I was enjoying it so much, and all of the other people, because they're from Mumbai, they were like, oh, we're freezing. But yes, I was so dazed in the morning, so I'm really sorry because I was very tired after my flight. I didn't sleep properly, so yeah, I was very tired. So I just was like, I was in a different mood altogether. But now I'm back in swing. So from day 2 you're gonna be seeing more amazing vlogs with me being more active and everything. So yes, thank you so much for watching day 1 with me, being with me here in Korea. It really means a lot to me. And it's just one thing I'm gonna say about Korea, the skincare is amazing. The pricing, like won and its denominations have me at it. Like I've already spent like 10 lakh won or something of that sort apparently, and convert that to Indian rupees, it's like nothing. Like there you can get hand creams for like 3 hand creams for 7,000 won, which convert that to what, 400-500 rupees. And I'm just like, yeah, bill me for 2, thank you. So yeah, the scene here is crazy and I'm loving it. I'm loving every moment of it. Both makeup and skincare here are so inexpensive. I'm just going crazy. I'm going crazy. I was dazed. Literally, I was so overwhelmed today. And me being overwhelmed with makeup and skincare is something that no one would, expect. But I was so overwhelmed. I like FaceTimed back home and I was like, Mom, I was overwhelmed. And she was like, okay. Yeah, had to happen. But yes, I am so looking forward to day 2. Tomorrow we're going to be going to the labs and get custom serums for ourselves and stuff like that. So I'm really looking forward to that. And we don't have to put up makeup in the morning. We just have to like go with moisturized face. Today all of the makeup and hair was done by the Face Shop team who has invited us here. So yeah, that was good. So yeah, that was my day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, if you're looking forward to day 2, comment below and let me know that you're excited for day 2. And I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.